It's absolutely pouring down. We're at Mont Saint Michel. Welcome to the Two Twinsters Summer Tour of Normandy 2022. We then had a day trip over to Mont Saint Michel in the pouring rain. This is quite an air.
Yeah, yeah.
The air of Mont Saint Michel.
Yeah, looks good, doesn't it?
You sure that's an air and not a campsite?
No, I did see yeah.
So,
€16.50 per 24 hours.
wow.
Yeah.
And they've got all these they've even got a chocolate factory right by them.
Cool. Lovely, isn't that? Gate Bay.
I thought we saw lots of motorhomes.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really motorhome city.
Oh, that's a nice sled. What are they going to eat?
Quite an interesting little place, isn't it? Touristy.
It is. Sign there for sure.
And
Pickpockets, watch out. And we're going now for the free shuttle bus over to there. In the front of the queue. We're going on the bus now. Taking all their shoes off. And they're going to that lovely sandy bit over there.
there seem to be, well, muddy bit really.
Muddy bit, yeah.
There seem to be lots of little groups of them.
Yeah.
Like a tour. But why would you want to walk in the mud?
I know. Ooh. Right. Castle, doesn't it? The Mere Poulard.
You see them in there, look.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Making the omelette. They must be expensive eggs. The eggs I bought in the shop this morning, they were quite expensive, mine.
I think they'll be making them out of dinosaurs.
No.
Basta che ci sui gradini.
Stay close by us, boys. Don't there. History Museum. Yeah, we've got the world soon.
I want a museum.
History Museum.
Museum of the Hogwarts.
Yeah.
Right, we just paid to come into the abbey. After being here in a heat wave, it's absolutely pouring down. We're at Mont Saint Michel. And the rain is just getting worse and worse. But BBC Weather said light cloud. It's Mr. Seagull. There's where we just came across in the bus towards the car parks up there. We're quite intrigued. The groups of people walking in the mud. Yeah. There are boys, there's two very wet twinsters Hello, boys. Hello. And there's Mummy. Hello. It's quite a view. Look how high we are. Look how high. Let's see. I missed a seagull. Hello. Bonjour. Mum looking like a drowned rat. And there's the abbey, the lovely entrance. Let's go into the dry and pray for sunshine again. Sorry, heatwave, we take it all back. You're very welcome to come back. We're cursing you yesterday.
Just entering the abbey.
Don't knock him over. Come on. Do you know, I thought you were Thomas then. You looked exactly the same then. Amazing.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we've just been around the abbey, haven't we?
Yeah.
And the rain has stopped.
Well, it's not really stopped.
Well,
Still a bit.
yeah, much better though, isn't it?
We're really surprised. The abbey, it just went on and on and on in a labyrinth of
It was, wasn't it?
big rooms and little chapels. It was
Yeah,
really quite impressive.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a bit like a castle, isn't it, Thomas?
See the soldiers, Thomas, up there? There's soldiers watching over us with guns. Don't know what that's all about.
Il a consolidé les dalles de tes ports, dans tes murs il a béni tes enfants.
Yeah, we're just leaving, just hear the bells.
Singing in the rain.
If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the like button.